Hey guys, I think we're gonna have a fire drill here in a minute. I'm gonna get to the basement. I think we're gonna have a fire alarm here in a minute. This time, yep. Gonna have a fire alarm. I hope I make it down to the basement before it sounds. I think we're about to have a fire drill. I think we're about to have a fire drill here in a minute. We're about to have a fire drill here in a minute. I had to go to the bathroom. We're back. I'm not getting able to hear anything. Let's see if this light turns off. Now, what do we do that? Turn on. Now I can see it. Oh yeah, and I think when the fire alarm's down, I think the lights will turn off. I'm gonna find out about that. We're trying to figure out which one's gonna sound first. I know that one is, but we're in the lower level this time. Actually, I don't want to be near that one. That one's very loud. They all are, actually. Ah! Fire alarm's going off now. I had to go turn it off. I knew it! I knew it! minutes. Yep, I knew it. I actually went to the basement just in time. I went down to the basement just in time and I heard it. So yeah, the lights turn off. And they go off again. Probably going to go off again. Caitlin just shut the fan off. It's probably going to go off again, guys. Because Caitlin just turned the fan off and that's not going to help. The fan turned off the alarm, not me. Yeah, you have to have the fan at it for it to... I think that one went off first. That one actually set off first. I bet it's going to go off again, I'm not sure. I knew it was going to go off. I knew it. I'm going to plug my ears again. That one goes off really fast and they're very loud. Probably going to go off again because Victor said he's going to steal it. I do actually have to set it off again because I have to reset it now. I don't know. But there you go, so this time I was able to film it before it even sounded, which was good. So you could know what it does when it starts going off. The light turns off and then it sounds. That's what it does. I think it's done right now. And this didn't smell down here, so it could go off again. Because Caitlin did shut off the fan. But yeah, I heard it better when I was over here. I heard it better when I was over here. No, I gotta keep my ears plugged because this one goes off fast. Man, these alarms aren't very loud. Caitlin also got mad because the fire alarms went off. And make sure we're still recording real quick. I want to get away from that fire alarm. It's very loud right here. Yeah. We're still recording. I need hearing protections. I'm going to get tired of plugging my ears. Do it like this. Not going off anymore. I think this is it. So now you know what it sounds like when it, so now you know that the upstairs one sounds first. And then the lights turn off. Like after, like 0.5 seconds, it like 0.5 seconds to the alarm, after the lights turn off, the alarm sound. The upstairs sounded first and then the lights turned out. Is it going to go off again or not? I don't think it's going to go off again. I don't know. Yep, so now you know. That didn't think it was going to go off, but I knew it was going to go off, so. I'm actually glad I came down here because I wanted to see what happens. Then I would get told to shut up a lot of times. If I was still filming waiting on the alarms to go off upstairs. Getting tired of covering my ears now. Well, I think the unfinished part one went off first, from my understanding. Oh yeah, I need to tell you something. If you got the ones with the carbon dioxide, you need to shine up a fan at it. That's what you got to do. Because one time I tried to silencing it with the broom, a couple of times with these, but then here was the problem, it went off again. Give it about a few more minutes. And then I have to reset it. Once when it's not smelling anymore. So yeah, that one is very loud. All of them actually are loud. Very. Yeah, I don't want to be near it. I don't want to be near it. I knew it was going to go off. I was right. I was right. Man, I was right. I knew it was going to. Wait, thought I heard it again. Not going off anymore. It will go off again because I have to reset it. I'm going to wait a few minutes. Right when we're done, I have to set it off again. Well, that's the problem. These ones are very different. Even if you silence it, it still goes off, so I have to shine a fan at it. That's the only way to turn it off, but it took a few minutes. It took like 30 seconds to a minute to shut it off. Because it had to give time to put out the smoke. So hopefully my mom and dad know. Now whenever it sets off, we don't turn it off with the broom, it won't work. Because then it goes off again. One time I had a tamper with it one time. I couldn't even turn it off. We had that emergency drill one time. So with these types of alarms, I have to put my box fan up directly at the smoke alarm, shut it off. I don't hear it anymore. Well, you will hear it again, so I probably have to go reset it now. It's been 14 minutes. I think the alarm went off right after I started the recording. Well, a little bit after I got down to the basement. I think it was after I went pee. Because I did have to use the bathroom before it went off. I do still smell it right now. Could go off then. Let me go to the unfinished part and watch the alarm. Right here. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think we're done, but not right now. So that little fin, whatever he did, made it go off. The basement would be better to record, to be honest. So the reason why you heard that much sound first is I opened the unfinished part door. It's still open right now so I can watch it. I think it's not going to go off. Well, it will go off again when I reset it. I'm not going to set it off right now. Because I don't want to have to tamper with it right now. So yeah. I'm just walking around. You probably see me. Probably can't because it's very dark. I'm surprised I heard the alarm from this direction right here. That's where I was standing, and then when I knew it was going to go off, so I was like standing right here and the alarms went off. But yeah, that one sounds second, and then that one sounds third. Surprised I even heard that one go off from down here. I don't know if he's gonna give him the all clear. I'm gonna wait till he gives the all clear. I'll wait. Well, what? I will set it off again when my video reaches about 30 minutes. We'll see if it's done. I think we're done, but I'm not gonna do anything yet. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed hearing my fire alarm sounding in the basement. Next time I could do it in a different place, I don't know. But maybe for the future when we have fire drills, I could just come down here. Because then I won't be told to shut up. Because if I recorded it in my room, I would have been told to shut up, so. What I should have done while it was still trying to silence, I could have see if I heard them in the rooms. But the bathroom, that's something we'll do if it goes off again. I'll turn the fan on quick and then see which locations I can hear it. Not going off anymore. I'm just pacing around because that's what I just do. Yeah, I think we're done. But I have to turn it off. I have to set it off again soon. Yep. There you go. I told you the smoke alarms were going to go off. I told you guys. I actually was right. They normally don't go off, but I knew we were going to have one. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to record this on my iPad with the fire alarm sounding and just be in the basement. I like it better down there. Well, even though it's going to take me longer to get that fan though, because when the alarms were going off, I had to go all the way upstairs and get the fan. I don't know if Caitlin messed with it and hit it. Well, I had to bring it down here. That fan was the one that's in my room. I had to actually have it downstairs to shut off the fire alarms. I don't think we're going to be needing it anymore. Got a couple more minutes and then I'm going to be resetting the fire alarms. So you'll hear it set off again for reset. And then that's going to be our fire drill for June. You know, my sister set it off May 23rd. And it was the same day I went to Cam's house, so yeah, we kind of had a fun day that day. Well, I did actually tell my parents we did set the fire alarm off. And I told them we only did it once. But the upstairs smoke alarm, I actually knew I could hear it from down here. I bet my battery's going, uh-oh, I think I'm being called right now. Why? Are you done? Because I have to reset it now. Where's the fan? Alright, thank you. I knew that. Alright, okay, I'm resetting it now. Alright guys, we're done. So I just set it off, so we're finished. One more beep and then we're done. Fire drill's done. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the fire alarm sounding video. Bye.